everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret and today I have received another gift from our client friends and this is going to be the Dr. Kit Philippines First Aid Kit. I received this from, thank you so much, Sir Rayu. From I think this is a sister company of Mr. Fresh and some of the products I've vlogged before. This is a first aid kit worth 250 pesos if I'm not mistaken. 250. And what you have inside are bandages. We also have band-aids. So there are 10 pieces of band-aids in this bag. We also have 2 pieces of gauze swabs. We also have alcohol pads, 70% isopropyl alcohol. We have 6 pieces inside this bag. And what else do we have here? Bandage, another type of bandage. So I actually have a photo that I'll be placing somewhere here, which describes everything or which names everything that I have in this bag in case I mispronounce or say it wrongly. But we also have antiseptic povidone iodine prepad. We have 1 piece of this inside. And we also have this, I don't know if this is a thong, but it's somehow like something you hold the bandage with or the gauze with. I'm not from the medical field, so pasensya. But this is inside. And what else? Plaster, papilit. This is inside too. We also have a pair of scissors inside. It's very cute. And this, we have mga alpiril, mga safety pins inside. So that's everything inside, and I think this is also included. I'm not really sure if this is included, baka nahulog lang to. But I think this is also included in the bag, if I'm not mistaken. Because I think this fell down when I opened it. So this is also inside. Okay, so that's a 250 pesos Dr. Kit First Aid Kit. Kato sila tanan. Everything is inside. They also are selling a multi-tool which has a Dr. Kit logo here. Pardon for the, I don't know where I got this black mark on my finger, but yeah, this is a Dr. Kit multi-tool and there are a lot of parts. Actually, daghan kay siya and I can't name them all, but I'll be placing another photo here in this side naming all the parts of this multi-tool. Okay, so this is one. Okay, they have a wine opener and they have another one like this. I don't know really what this is for, the second one. And then nail file. I do know a nail file when I see one. So here, third one is a nail file. And then the fourth one, I'm not sure what this is for, but just please refer to the photo I'll be posting here. They also have a screwdriver for the last tool in this side. So when you're facing the logo, it's in the left side. Okay, the other side, they have a can opener. They have a saw. They have a scissor, a pair of scissors, and then I think I named this wrongly. I'm pretty sure this one is a saw and I forgot what the name of this other one is. And then there's a knife. Okay, so I lack research, guys. Just focus on this photo here if you want to know the parts of this multi-tool. Again, this is another multi-tool, a product of Dr. Kit Philippines, and this is also 250 pesos. So don't forget to check out their page. They have Instagram and they also have Facebook. Dr. Kit Philippines, and then they have the uses of first aid kit and the multi-tool. They have benefits and everything like that. So thank you so much again, Dr. Kit, for sharing your first aid kit to us and also for giving me this multi-tool. Surely this will go in handy whenever we will camp, we go outdoors. Thank you so much for this once again. Thank you so much for your support. And guys, don't forget, if you want to message Dr. Kit Philippines to ask about the rates and what other products they offer, please don't hesitate to visit their Facebook page or their Instagram. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to show your support to my channel and tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. And also don't forget to like and follow Margrette Vlogs if you're watching this from Facebook. Thank you so much for watching once again, guys. Do take care and God bless. See you again, lovies. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.